Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mami Alona. I-flex ko lang sa inyo ang aking 4 beautiful kittens na pinanganak ng... Bali, this is supposed to be a second born of Cathy, our money cat. Ang gaganda ng kanyang mga children. O, tignan mo yan, o. Different colors. There's one over there, like a tiger. Tapos yung isa puro tricolor na. Lucky daw yan eh. So, most probably, alagaan ko silang 4. Ayan. Ang ganda-ganda ng mommy niya. Lumabas eh. Kasi binigyan ako ng chance na i-video yung kanyang babies. Our cat is named Cathy. Alam niyo ba guys, the second born niya na to before... namatay lahat ng babies niya, and this time they're all alive na, malalaki-laki na siya, oh, 'di ba guys? Ayan, kasi well feed namin yung kanyang babies, yung kanyang mommy. Ayan, oh, tingnan, magaganda ng kulay. Oh, hopefully in God's grace mabuhay silang 4. I love cats talaga. Tingnan mo, ang cute niya guys, oh. And come here, Miguel. Miguel, come here, come here. What's this? What do you call this? Baby cats. Oh, come on.
Baby cats.
Oh, baby cats. So, this is my granny boy.
Right.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
And these are our baby kittens.
Baby kittens.
See that? Ayan yung aking apong, si Juan Miguel. That's why pinasok ko siya rito sa inside the house muna. Kasi nga, I'm about to... video, yan o, ang ganda-ganda guys. Sinan niyo ba kung gaano kagaganda yung aking cats today? Ayan guys, ang ganda-ganda na mga kulay, lahat tricolor. According to some, na ito daw palang mga ganitong pusa pag tricolor, as lucky daw sa bahay. And do you know guys, na what's amazing with these cats, yung aking baby, yung aking mama nito, she went to our kitchen when she was already pregnant. That time, manganganak na pala siya guys. So napansin namin, you notice that she keep on walking every now and then, paikot-ikot siya. So yung pala, she's about to birth her child. Ngayon doon sa may ilalim ng aming kusina, nanganak siya ng isa. So we saw it. Then finally I told my husband, come on, you get it. Sabi niya, lagyan natin ng magandang pang-aanakan niya. Kumuha kami ng crates. Ito nga guys. Tapos nilagyan namin itong ano. Dito siya nanganak. So, ang nangyari, nanganak siya doon isa sa kusina dahil binuhat siya ng husband ko while her tummy is so big. Tapos yun, doon na siya nanganak. Finally, one by one lumabas na ito. So, I don't wanna watch it. So, hinayaan ko yung hubby ko na sabi niya sa akin, hayaan mo na doon. And later, after a matter of hour, yun, nakita namin 4 na sila. And look at the colors guys. Pero isang parang tiger. Basta ang ganda, combine yung kulay. Yung first born niya noon dati, may nakuha, may resemblance sa kanya. Pero this time, walang naging kamukha niya. Oh, to, tignan nyo guys, ang ganda-ganda, oh. Diba guys? Maybe I will keep this. But before, on his first born, unang anak niya noon, sabi ko, pamimigay ko kasi I don't like the colors. But this time, look at the colors naman guys, oh. Oh. So, I'm gonna keep this. Marami na akong apo. Additional granny cats. Look at that guy, oh. Look at that guys, oh. Tingnan mo yung isang to. This one, this is so beautiful. Ayan siya guys, oh. Oh, diba? Ang cute-cute niya. Ay! Ay, just tuwa ang aking apo. Oh, no, don't touch it. Yeah, diba? Who's that? Our little kittens. Yeah? The white one. Where's the white one? Show mommy the white one. White. It's over there. Here is the white and brown. Yeah. Yeah, how about this one? Black and white. There, oh. What's that? What color is that? Black, brown, and white. Okay, diba? Tricolor yan, guys. O, tignan mo yung cute-cute niya, oh. Most probably, I'm gonna keep this, kittens na to. Ang cute niya, oh. Sabi nila, pag ikaw daw may pusa ka sa bahay, meaning to say, mabait yung may-ari. Maybe. Sana nga mabait ako. Pero I've ever killed animals in my entire life. O hindi ko man sila gusto, I just ignore it. Pero this one, actually my children are giving me dogs. Pero hindi ako masyado sa dogs eh. Kasi medyo mahirap ang maintenance ng dogs eh. Kasi pagbibigyan nila ako imported eh. Before, namatayan na ako ng isang dog eh, na imported. Na para siyang stuffed toys, guys. But actually, this, the mother of this kittens, umuwi lang sa akin yon. Basta nakita ko, there's a cat na may isang pusa, tapos nanganak siya, about 6 cats. Tapos nakita ng aking granny girl, na sabi niya, Mami, why don't you keep this cat? This is a manicat. You can Google it. So, ginugol namin, nakita namin siya. So, inadopt namin siya. See? Tuwan-tuwa ang aking apo sa kanyang kittens. Diba? What are those? What are those? Little kittens. Oh, don't touch it. Oh. She might get hurt. She might get hurt. Oh, they're playing, oh. Those little cats are playing. And they're so happy. Oh, diba? Masaya sila. Marami kasi ako narinig na kwento about cats. Yun. Na laki daw to pag marami ka nito. Easy lang naman silang i-feed, guys eh. Madali lang silang i-feed. By the way, before I forget, malibang ako sa aking mga babies. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mami Alona. Guys, kita nyo, ang cute-cute now. Actually, mabait ang mami nito. Kahit nahawak-hawakan ko yung kanyang babies, hindi siya nagagalit. Pinababayaan niya ako. Look at that. Ang cute-cute nila, diba? And this one also. This one. Ayan. 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 No. It might get hurt. You don't know how to hold it. Okay, diba, guys? Ang ganda-ganda. And this one, the brown one. Let me see. Ito, with the brown. Ay, naku, kakatakot. Hello. Hello, little kittens. Oh, no, don't touch it kasi masakit yung claw niya. Do you like it, Miguel? Do you like it? You like the kittens? Ganda niya, guys, oh. See? I will keep all of them, 4 of them. Sana wag lumayas. Kasi sometimes cat's nature is pag malalaki na, lumalayas sila. Pero I don't think so. Kasi alagaan ko naman talaga sila. I'm gonna keep these 4 cats. Yan, diba? Gaganda, guys, oh. I'm gonna put it closer. Oh, diba? Ang gaganda ng kulay. These are lucky cats. Yan, oh. Hindi ko sila papa-adapt. Yan. This one is brown and 2 color lang to. 2 colors. Brown and white. And the other one is black, brown and white. O, diba? Ang cute-cute niya. Ang gaganda ng, kumbaga sa damit, guys, ang ganda ng, ano niya, ang ganda ng kulay niya. Diba? What's that? Baby cats. Say baby cats.
Baby cat.
Yan. Ganda-ganda, ano? Ayan, ayan. Ito, this is the pinakamaganda, the most beautiful one. I don't know the gender eh. Ayan, guys, oh, diba? Cute-cute, oh. Ayan, this one, oh. Diba? Ang ganda ng colors nila. Ayan, oh. Oh, no, don't touch it, baby. Don't touch it. You might get hurt the kittens. Oh, diba? And that's all for the day, guys. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel, Mami Alona. See you on my next video. Hope you enjoy watching together with my granny, handsome little boy, Miguel. Hi! See? Tuwan-tuwa siya sa kanyang bagong baby kittens. Diba? Ang gaganda ng kulay. Pero if ever na merong gustong mag-adapt, just message me here on my YouTube. Ang ganda-ganda kasi guys, so I love the colors. The colors is so nice talaga. Tuwan-tuwa ang aking baby. Ayan, tingnan nyo guys. So, habang nanonood siya, that's Juan Miguel. My granny boy. That's all for the day. Have a safe day everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. Mami Alona on my YouTube channel. Thank you for all my subscribers. Please keep on watching and so that I can have a lot of views. God bless everyone. Ito, stress reliever to guys. If you feel sad, weary, or whatever you feel in yourself, panoorin nyo lang sila nagko-crawl. Ayan o, they're crawling. That's all for the day. God bless everyone. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Bye!